How to get rewards on CoinMarketCap. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get NFT rewards on CoinMarketCap easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on the settings option down here in down below. Now you will find this page right here. You will find many options. Click on my diamonds right here and it will take you to this page. Now click on rewards. Now as you can see, this is my balance and those are the rewards. This one cost about 3000 diamonds and this one is just 200 diamonds. I can buy it if I got more diamonds, as you can see. And if you want to see your rewards, just click here. If you have any, rewards will be shown here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.